Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to create a black vibrant smoky eyes look. So basically this is gonna be a party makeup. So for face makeup let's start with moisturizer. Here I am applying Nivea Aloe Hydration Cream. This cream moisturizes my face and of course hydrate it too and gives me a perfect base for my makeup. Then I'm applying Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. This is a velvety smooth primer that instantly blurs the appearance of pores and fine lines for an effortless makeup application. This primer is packed with vitamin E. It hydrates my skin while prepping it. My makeup not only goes on better but also lasts longer. Remember, do not drag it, just dab with your fingers. Next I'll be applying foundation, which is Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation. My shade is number 4. This foundation offers perfect blending and full coverage for a flawless, almost invisible finish. This is a water-based foundation and especially created for Indian skin tones. Then I'm blending my foundation with this Colorbar Beauty Sponge. Always remember guys, before you begin your makeup application, wet the sponge until it's completely saturated and squeeze out any excess water. This aqua activated sponge enlarges after wetting and absorbs minimal product to give an even and blended coverage. Now I am applying Maybelline Fit Me Concealer to conceal my face in the shade 20 Cent. I am applying it on my T-zone area like under my eyes, center of my forehead, on my nose bridge, chin, near my lips and of course little bit on my neck. And blending it with same Colorbar Beauty Sponge. And to contour my face, I am applying Early Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso. This is a high definition concealer. I always apply it on my lower cheekbones to slim my face, sides of my nose bridge, on my jawlines, I contour hairline to sharpen forehead and warm the face, and once again blending it with my beauty blender. For contouring, your concealer shade should be 2 shades darker than your foundation shade. To set my foundation, I am applying Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade number 15 Light. I am applying it with a dry beauty sponge. Remember, a dry beauty sponge, not wet. And one more thing, your concealer and your loose powder should be 2 shades lighter than your face foundation and face powder. I have applied Swiss Beauty Nude Lip Liner and Makeover Professional Matte Lipstick in the shade number 11 Copper Rose. And for my eyebrows, I used Wet n Wild Color Icon Brow Pencil in the shade Brunette Do It Better. Now I am removing my loose powder with powder brush from Trendy Look. For eyeshadow, I am using Nicka K New York Autumn Spice and Makeup Revolution London eyeshadow palette. First, I am applying the nude eyeshadow with my fluffy eyeshadow brush on my eyelids for base. Then black eyeshadow from Revolution eyeshadow palette. Orange eyeshadow from Nicka K New York eyeshadow palette and blending with the same fluffy brush. this flat eyeshadow brush to apply Copper Metallic eyeshadow from Nicka K New York eyeshadow palette. Again black eyeshadow to darken up the eye crease area with a flat brush. Now again I am applying more orange eyeshadow to darken up the orange shade. I am removing the loose powder which I had applied off camera. I am giving a perfect shape to my eyeshadow with LA Pro Girl Concealer. Now I will apply orange and black eyeshadow with small flat brush on my lower lash line. And blending it with fluffy eyeshadow brush. I am applying white and golden shimmer eyeshadow on my tear duct with small flat brush. For next step, you guys can also use golden or white kajal pencil. Now I am smudging concealer with big flat eyeshadow brush. Highlighting my brow bone with light golden shimmer eyeshadow with small flat brush. Now I am giving a sharp shape to my eyes with Lakme Iconic Kajal and applying it on my upper waterline. Applying Maybelline New York Colossal Volume Mascara to give volume my eyelashes. Here I am applying Colourbar Cheek Illusion Blush in the shade number 16 Sweet Scarlet with my small blush brush from Trendy Look. Do not forget to dust off the excess. Now I am applying Swiss Beauty highlighter with my fan highlighter brush. I am highlighting my cheekbones, bridge of my nose, sides of my forehead, on my cupid bow, chin, and of course center of my neck. So guys, this is the final look in close-up. As you guys can see, I have already curled my hair with my curler. Now I'm just setting my curls. Oh, I forgot to apply setting spray. I'm applying ADS setting spray to set my makeup for last longer. Then I'm grabbing my beauty blender to absorb excess. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon too. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.